And everyone, it's Dan here from Tommy's Road to Support. In this one I'm going to take you through how to add portfolio items within the Melissa theme for WordPress. So to begin with, if we look at one of the example projects, you can see we've got the title area, exit area, an area for the image or images, as well as a description and some extra text. So to create one of our own, we're going to go to New and Portfolio. And I'll give this a title of Dan's Demo Project. And we'll just grab some random text. We'll put that in here. And we'll give this thing a featured image as well. And the featured image is what's used to represent your project throughout the rest of your site, so do choose wisely. In this one, I think I'll go for this light bulb. And before we go any further, I'll hit publish and we'll take a look. So as you can see, we've got our title, our excerpt here, the main image, and our bulk of our text. Now if we go back into the settings, the first thing you may want to do is to specify the subtitle area here to be different to than just an excerpt from your regular text area. The way we can do this is just under the right here. We can go to excerpt and start typing in our own custom text. So if I put hello world and hit update, if we refresh, you can see rather than the auto-generated text, it now has your own specific content in there. Really handy. And also for the area you saw here with the extra details, these are added via this area here, and these can be whatever you want. So we'll put client, then maybe we'd like to put date, or pretty much anything you want here. If I just publish, so you can see those three I've just added. You can see they appear one by one very neatly here. Perfect. Now, although the default area here shows the featured image, you can also swap this for a nice slideshow of other images. So to do this, if we go back into our portfolio area, you can see we've got gallery images here. So let's open up the media library. I'll add a few random images from here. And we'll update. And you'll see that now we've done that, the featured image is not shown, and instead we've got a nice gallery of images instead. Another one thing to point out, it is best to use images of the same size for the best effect. As you can see here, just keeps things nice and neat, you know what to expect. Absolutely marvellous. Now the one last thing to point out with the portfolio items is the area we haven't covered here, which is the width and height. Now what that refers to, if we open up say the Berlin style for portfolio items, you can see some of them are double the size than others, and this is how that is set. So for instance, our project here is just standard width, standard height, no problem. If we want that to be larger, and bear in mind this only works in the certain layouts, so let's say we want that to be double height instead. Let's hit update. You can see there it's now standard width but twice the height, and so on. We can change this as we want. So it just gives you a bit of an option there to choose how to lay out your particular items. Very powerful effect. And that's basically it. The one thing I will point out before I finish up is you can of course use the Elementor page builder. So if you're liking all of this but you want to maybe do your own custom layout and you want to use the page builder, that's not a problem. Now what you need to do is to go into the Elementor settings, and here under post types we're going to tick portfolio. What that will do is allow the portfolio items to actually use Elementor page builder. So if I was to create a new example, The important part is because we're going to use Elementor Page Builder, under the template here we need to choose full width. Once that's done, we can now start using Elementor to edit the project with whatever content we want. So we can put in, say, a video, loads of columns of text, pretty much anything you want within the that's provided within the Elementor Page Builder. So you really do have the flexibility to create any type of project you need. And that's it. If you do have any questions, do come see me over at support. Other than that, have fun with your theme and thanks for watching.